The Charles de Gaulle carrier has been pulled out of a deployment in the North Atlantic to head for the eastern Mediterranean. It made a stopover in the Swedish port of Malmo last week. Macron said he was also sending additional air defense units to Cyprus, a day after Iranian-made drones hit the British Royal Air Force, RAF, base of Akrotiri in the Mediterranean island. I have ordered the Charles de Gaulle aircraft carrier, its air assets, and its escort of frigates to set course for the Mediterranean, he said in a televised speech a day after he warned of the risk of the conflict spilling over Europe's borders.